for recording the Zoom meeting, first of all, if you don't have Zoom account, you have to go to Zoom website, then press enter. When the website opens, there are four options: join a meeting, host a meeting, sign in, and sign up. Now, if a person is using Zoom for the first time, that need to be first of all sign up. If I press sign up, it is asking for email address. The email address can be Yahoo, Gmail, Facebook. We can register with either account. I have already registered. I will directly sign. When I press sign in, it is asking for my email address. I will put my email address here and the password, then press sign in button. It will open my account. It will look like this. To start a meeting, there are three options: schedule a meeting, join a meeting, and host a meeting. First of all, schedule a meeting. In this, we can schedule our future meeting. First option is schedule a meeting. In this, we can schedule our future meeting. Second option is join a meeting. If someone else is hosting a meeting, then we can join their meeting by entering meeting ID and password. Now third option is host a meeting. It means that you are hosting or starting the meeting and share the meeting information like meeting ID and password, etc. to the party. Now host a meeting, there are three options: with video on, with video off, and screen share. First of all, we will discuss about schedule a meeting. Now I press schedule a meeting, then it will open the screen like this. It is asking for some information like topic. I can change the topic: Zoom meeting recording 1, or I can put here date. Description, it is optional. You can write a brief description about the meeting, what is all about meeting is, which you are going to start. Like I write here meeting recording, then date, then time. We can set here date and time. For example, I set time to start instant meeting. Now duration of the meeting, and here it is telling us that our plan is basic plan and it has time limit of for 40 minutes. We need not to upgrade our account to record the meeting. Now next option is recurring meeting, whether it is recurring, it is going to again and again meeting or not. Meeting ID, it can generate automatically, or you can enter your personal meeting ID. My personal meeting ID is showing here, or you can every time generate your meeting ID automatically. Security passcode key, and then there are video options, host and participant. Now I will click here on both on. Then here meeting option, in when we see the last option, automatically record meeting on the local computer. When I click on this box, then the meeting will start automatically recording when I save or open the Zoom meeting. When I save these changes, then it is showing here to start this meeting. When I press this start this meeting, it will start Zoom meeting. It is starting, connecting the camera. Yes, now the meeting is started. Now see here, recording is already on. Here we have two options: pause the recording or stop the recording. This screen will record all the things which we share here or what we show to the audience, either video, audio, or PPT, etc. Now I share the screen, the recording is on. When I share the screen, let us say I want to share this PPT of sustainability development to my student and teach them with the help of this PPT. After completing the lecture, I will stop recording, and this recording can be viewed when we end the meeting. Let us now end the meeting. First of all, we will stop share and then end the meeting, and for all. Now see, my meeting recording are converting automatically into MP4 file and save it in the computer. It is free account in which we can record the lesson. You need not to upgrade your account. Now it is asking for folder where you want to save the file. For example, I want to save this file on desktop, and on the desktop I make a new folder. See here, new folder 5 is created, and click OK. Then this video will be saved on the desktop in new folder 5. Now we can see this recording from this folder. Now the second way to record the meeting is when we host a meeting. Suppose we host a meeting with video on button. It is starting the meeting. Now meeting is on. Join with computer audio. Now let me share screen. Suppose now I want to share this PPT with students. I will share this PPT, and from here I can record the meeting. The meeting is recording. I can teach through this PPT to the students. When the lecture is over, I can stop share and stop recording also. The recording will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. Now to see or save the video, I have to end the meeting. Automatically it is converting my meeting recording in MP4 player, and after the converting is complete, it is asking for the place where I want to save the video. Suppose I want to save the video on desktop, make a new folder, then it will create a new folder 6, then I press OK and it will open the folder where the video is saved. I will press that video button and record, and here the meeting. We see that meeting is recorded. I can close the camera. The meeting is recording. I can teach through this PPT to the students. When the lecture is over, I can stop share. Now let us see. The both folders are on desktop, new folder 5 and new folder 6. We can open these folders and see our recording. This is new folder 5 when we recorded our meeting through schedule a meeting, and new folder 6. Here this recording is when we host a meeting and record directly. We can use these recordings for further purpose. We can edit these recordings with the help of video editors. There are many video editors available online free of cost. This is all about that how we can record Zoom meetings in two ways.